Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has expressed satisfaction with his reshuffled central defense following their 1-1 draw against Panama national football team on Friday evening. With regular options unavailable, Broos handed a start to Ima Ocon, who partnered Kulumane Damane at the heart of defense. The new pairing showed composure for large spells of the encounter, with Ocon currently on the books of Hannover 96, particularly catching the eye. The young defender looked comfortable in position, helping South Africa build from the back with confidence, while also asserting himself physically. His aerial ability proved valuable against a competitive Central American side, despite a few shaky moments creeping in during the later stages of the match. Broos reserved special praise for Ndamane, highlighting the Mamelodi Sundowns defenders' composure and attacking contribution from deep, tasked with filling in for Bekezile Mbokazi, who is expected to return to the starting lineup on Tuesday in Cape Town. Ndamane delivered a performance that impressed his coach. He said the whole team played very well, including Ndamane and Ocon. Ndamane in particular showed exactly what I wanted: determination, focus, and quality on the ball. Some of his passes in the second half nearly created clear goal-scoring chances, and that's something important for us. South Africa's defensive reshuffle comes at a challenging time, with first-choice centre-backs Siyabonga Ngezana and Rashford Dudley sidelined through injury ahead of the upcoming 2026 FIFA World Cup scheduled for June and July. Despite the disruptions, Broos will take encouragement from the depth shown in his squad, particularly from emerging players who appear ready to step up on the international stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.